What's up, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in. Another video for the Mark V R32. So we're talking today about the Racingline DSG cooler with the Addict Motorsports hoses. They're plug and play. Super nice. I know that they don't make a model for the DQ250 for the Mark V, but it actually does fit with the Addict Motorsports. Now, I can't speak for the GTIs or any other ones. I'm only speaking for the Mark V R32, as well as the Addict Motorsport. It came with this bad boy, a lot thicker durometer compared to the ECS one. I did have this powder coated. Timing chains were done, and added this function here. I did also Lamin-x my headlights. I did take them apart completely and actually clean the projectors, so it's all nice and pretty, and did the alignments. And that's pretty much it for that update. In regards to things that are hard as hell, as everything's pretty much installed. And that's pretty much it, guys. Well, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit that like button. Talk to you guys soon.